how's everybody doing? We out here looking at some houses. They're like modular homes, but we checking them out because these things are nice. We like this one right here, so. Really coming through it.
Girl, trying to scare you.
Hi. They got the nice little wood-looking floors. Oh, you gonna start over in the kitchen?
That's what he said.
We got the kitchen right here. Countertops. I like the sink.
Is it deep?
Sorry, I mean it's not as big as I like it, and stuff like that.
This one is.
So, what do y'all think about it? Look at the flat top stove, refrigerator.
It says starting. When it says starting, is that just base with nothing?
We could do it. It's more like a sale price. We could do it for like $195.
Oh, okay.
Around that, I will work with it. But this is like a little butler's pantry. And then you go into your
Okay, there's laundry over here. Yep. Laundry over here.
The rooms are big. The bedrooms are big. The bathrooms are big.
I was just like, are you little? Okay, the back door.
The desserts in there. Have this. I mean, you can use it. Right.
That's basically
Oh, okay.
what
It's the prep.
Yeah.
then we could put the kids' snacks in there.
We know what to do with that.
Or that could be an office right there. Got the counter. There you go, back there.
They have a home office.
Oh, do they?
In the hallway, they have an office.
Oh, yeah, that's all.
Okay. Oh, this looks like over there. Okay, so this could be mine and yours will be back there.
I know.
You got the room right here. Our room. Closet.
Hey, you guys like to cook? We here.
The other bedroom. Oh, that's a good size walk-in closet. What y'all think? That's a good size walk-in closet?
That's what I want. The island with
They should have done all them.
the stove on top of the island.
The master right here. You got the bathroom. Oh, this is the closet, the bathroom. This is the closet. Bathroom back here. Ooh, I like the door. It's a sliding door.
I like this.
Oh. Private toilet. Oh, here he go with the toilet, y'all. Got the full shower. Nothing but I don't like the kitchen countertops.
Walls, look at the walls.
I like this tub right here.
Look at the walls. Look at the walls.
Yeah, but you'd have to. You can hear people out there. As if you have to close the door. And, yeah. You'd have to.
But
You'd have to.
You can change stuff.
I know,
You
like-
got options. So.
Yeah, that's thick. I'll say you'd have to close the door to see if you can hear people. The shared bathroom, hall bathroom.
My concern was the walls, you know, and some of the other ones.
Yeah, they don't need, baby, just
Yeah.
12 or 14. A 12 or 14.
Under the thing, oh, the little storage space. Put the washcloth and towels. Oh, people looking at it. So, this is 3 bedroom. So, we got the other bedroom right here. Ew, that nigga got a ponytail. Did I already look at this one? I did. Alright, y'all, what do y'all think? Leave a comment below. Let me know what y'all think about this one. We're gonna look at a couple more, but if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to our channel.
Do you see what I mean? Because this is easier to wipe off and constant practice. I would have the worst one.
Really noticed that they're different colors. So look at other ones too.
But even with this, I would put black appliances.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you got black trim, you got black hardware, black.
Oh, and the other door right here for you to sit out on the side of the porch.
No, you said this is a modular or it can be a.
Oh, so that's the other one right here.
This is like next to the biggest house. But,
Oh, I like the table.
The price is a lot.
This one is more expensive?
You can do this now.
This one can come in 2 pieces and they
It
can
can be
change.
a mod and it has a 512 foot pitch.
Okay.
As you see it,
Oh,
inside
okay.
and out, yep. But you could do a mod for like 129,000. One of our best selling homes.
You can spend all your money on the land.
Yeah, or just don't spend it.
Did we look at this one before or no?
Yeah, I think we did see this one.
The little, like the country style barn style things. The tub. I like the other tub better, but this is cool.
Different. I mean, not different, but I've seen some homes and hardware, and they got this.
Y'all got the toilet. What do y'all think about this one? This I like the other one better. The shower.
129, huh? But I like it.
And to watch the game and stuff. We can watch the game from right there. The laundry room. I do like the other one a little better though. The openness. And the ceilings.
They have the sink on this one though.
I like this.
Cooktop.
Yeah, I like this table though. I like that table.
Everybody likes that too.
Yeah, so the bench perfect. The kids can sit right here. Bug and Doc they don't have to fight about who gets the taller chair. Ooh, I like these book bags.
Yeah, look how big the bedrooms are too.
I'm over here like I like these book bags.
I know.
I got one like that looks like that at home. Got one room right here.
And this is a 4-bedroom.
Yeah, I do remember this one now. Yeah, the bathroom. I like this how the sinks are split like this. So I still like the other one better though. I feel like that one was bigger than this one. Got the closet. It's definitely bigger. Where's the, oh, there's my, huh? This is bigger than the other one? I was about to say, there ain't no way.
22 and this is 21.
Oh.
This one, you know, some of your rooms are bigger, but this has 2 living rooms.
You don't want nobody going in that room. This,
They can still do.
The older generation does.
Yeah, the older generation.
But there is some young people that do because they get it from the grandmother. They'll put the plastic on it. Like, don't sit on my couch. They got the plastic on the couch.
People, they'll do like,
What do y'all think about this one? This is nice.
yeah.
the kids are over here
More
dating
country
and
style.
like, you know what I mean?
We actually had in my parents' old house, we actually had 3, was it 3 living rooms?
Y'all, that was the house that we just looked at last. Gonna be the end of this video. I thought it would be cool to take you guys on the tour with us. We just looked at 2. We actually looked at this one before. I remember, like, been a while. But if y'all like the video, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, share our video, and we will catch you guys the next time. And next time on Awesome Auctions, you guys will be going through these totes with me. So this is part 2 of the last video. If you have not watched that video yet, please go and do so. That is exactly the actual last video that was uploaded. So you haven't seen it, go check that out because we're going to do part 2 next. So do stay tuned. We got to go through these totes right here. And also, we will be doing a tour after that. That'll probably be the next video after of the warehouse. We still got to get it straight. We've been busy these last couple days. And we didn't get to have our sale this weekend. I think I uploaded that video, but maybe I'll put that video up next or put clips of it in the next video. So again, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And we will see y'all on the next video. Stay tuned. Part 2 coming.
Good. Bye.